Okay, all right. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kushal GT, and today we have a mystery box. I know it is my package because it says Kushal right here. And without further ado, let's open this. So I got this package today, and I got it from Eterna Toys. So let's see. A nice packaging. Although the delivery agent rocked it a little bit from here, so I hope the cars are okay. We have newspaper. Oh, we have a note. It says, "Hi Kushal, thank you for shopping with Eterna. Let us know what you think. Your feedback means a lot." Okay, I will give you my feedback. Thank you. See, these are the type of notes that really go a long way. Let's take these newspaper out. And we have Matchbox cars. So let's open it one by one. I want to rush through the whole process, but yeah, I don't want to damage the card as well. So what is the safe way to open it up? I don't know. There should be one way. If it isn't safe, as long as it gets the job done for me, I think that's cool. But yeah, be safe while cutting these. The packaging is pretty well. They have done a pretty good job with the bubble wrap. So we have 3 cars. Okay. So let's start with this one. So this is the 1934 Chevy Master Coupe. I really adore this car. It looks really nice. So these are first set of Matchbox that I got, and look at the card art. This looks magnificent. It says Chevrolet right here, and it says metal pieces, parts. So this is the name of the car. 1934 Chevy Master Coupe, 71 of 100, metal badging, pretty detailed, really nice. So these are imported cards, and I got it for $349 per piece. So yeah, let's move on to the next one. Next up we have the 1980 AMC Eagle, and even this card art looks pretty awesome to me. It says Chrysler right here, and designed for a lifetime, same badging. This has nice details with the paint job and the wheels. Pretty decent job in the front and the back as well. So I was pretty pumped up for this one as well. And last but not least, we have Morris Minor Salon or Saloon. So this has a pretty interesting car art as well, just like this one, the Chevy Master Coupe. This comes in this almost British green, British racing green. I hope it is that, but yeah, this has nice details in the front and at the back, and we can also see some, design illustration on the back of this card, which I will cover in the full review once I open these. So yeah, pretty awesome job. So you have the Morris Minor Salon. So it is an imported car. You can see here. These are 2024 cards, right? Yeah. These all three cars are from 2024. So this was the mystery surprise from Eterna Toys. Pretty good, right? I think this is a very interesting haul for me because all these cars are from 90s. This is from 1934, this is from 1980, and this is from, I should have checked it out. Awesome cars. I love these cars. Stay tuned for the full review of these cars. Do take very good care of yourself. Happy life, happy collecting. I'll see you guys in the next one.